I want to thank you all for joining our how-to webinar series. These are quick webinars on how to use various functionalities within Pilera. So today you'll be learning about custom categories, how to create them, and how to use them within Pilera. So without further ado, I'd like to present your speaker today, Rhonda Sharon. Many of you know her. She's in our customer success department. So over to you, Rhonda.
Hi there. Thank you so much for joining us today for our webinar on how to create custom categories for work orders, activity logs, task management, and insurance tickets. So this webinar will be pretty short, as creating new categories is really pretty easy. It's just that many users don't even know that you can do it. So we can go ahead and get started. So you might not know that you have the ability to create custom categories because not all users have the permissions to do so. The roles that can create custom categories include community managers, company admins, and template admins. So what you would do is come on over here to settings and templates. So if you don't have templates in your dropdown, please reach out to us at support@pilera.com and we can discuss how to update your roles. So again, the types of custom categories that you can create are for work orders, activity logs, insurance tickets, and task management. So let's start with creating a custom category for our common area work orders. So let's say there's a category that's common for your community and we don't have it. You can add it in yourself. So you would come on over and find that ticket type here in the custom categories. So ticket work order, common area categories. And you would click here. And then you would add your common area. So click here, and here is where you would put your category. So let's do tennis courts. Service types are your subcategories. So you can put in your subcategories, hit enter to create a new subcategory. And then you can put in an optional description. Now you can add it to your communities. So click on communities, and here you can choose the communities you'd like to add it into, or you can even just select all of them and hit save. So now you have added in a new custom category. You can also edit, delete, or remove categories from communities. So if you want to remove a category because it's not applicable in all of your communities, what you can do is come on over here and hit edit. At this point, you can also edit your categories if you'd like. Click on communities and you can deselect communities that it's not applicable for. And hit save. You can also delete if you have a category that's just not applicable at all. You can just delete it completely. So we do have another option. It's just personal preference for how you can view which categories are being used in a community. What you can do is come on over here to settings and custom categories. And here you can check on all the categories in a specific ticket type. So you would click on your ticket type and it would show all the available categories, and you can edit these here too. Okay? So once you have added in your new category, what you want to do is check that out and make sure that it's there. So let's go to tickets and work orders. And it was a common area. And then you come on over here to your category. You would look for, here's that new one I added, tennis courts. And then those subcategories will be here.